Hello everyone, this is Death Piggy from Crappy Cam Gaming, and today something fairly special because I'm going to open 2 Boundaries Crossed booster packs and 2 Dark Explorers booster packs. So I guess we'll start with one of the Boundaries Crossed booster packs. Probably should have opened this part off camera, but oh well. Alright, first pack. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 2. Alright, so we got Pokeball, Spoink, Marill, Dweeble, Cottony, Krogunk, Trainer Skyla, Swanna, Shaman, Whirlipede, and that's it. So yeah, it's a pretty cool looking Whirlipede. It has Poison Point, which is pretty cool. Alright, let's open the next Boundaries Crossed pack. If my camera would focus. Okay, I don't know what happened, but my camera stopped recording, so sorry about that. But I didn't do anything before I noticed, so that's good. Alright. Okay. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Oops. Don't know why I say that out loud. Alright, we got Snivy, Pokeball, another Spoink, Pikachu, it's pretty cool artwork, Switch, Meanshao, Gloom, Herdier, Glacier, Stupid Dog, and Grumpig. So that's pretty cool. Alright, go on to our Dark Explorers pack. This is a lot of garbage. Code card. Alright, we got a Carablast, Piplup, Ducklet, Zorarua, Sandile, Vaporeon, Enhanced Hammer, Combuskin, it's pretty cool, Stoutland, and Piplup. Not bad. Last pack. Open. My dog really wants to come in here. Good lord. Headphones save the day. Ow, stupid camera. Focus. Okay. And it does it again. Well, you don't really. Okay, yeah, that's it. Sorry about this, guys. Alright, so, code card. Alright. Torchic. Sandile. Eevee. Tempool. Joltik. Combuskin. Enhanced Hammer. Vaporeon. Leafeon. And Slowpoke. So, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys next time.